now we going to discuss about chapter 3, playing with the numbers. Now we going to discuss a prime factorization. What about the prime factorization? First you try to learn about what about factorization. What about the factorization? Factorization means when a number when we express as in form of a product of the factors. A number when we express as in the form of a product of the factors, that method we call it as a factorization. Example, here 12. 12, how we can express what are the factors of 12? First, what are the factors of 12? 1 table 12 is there, 12 table 12 is there, 2 table 12 is there, 2 into 6 become 12, 6 table also, 6 2s are 12, 3 table 12 is there, 3 into 4 become 12, reverse also 4 3s are 12, like this, here 5 table not there, 7 table not there, 8 table not there, 9 table not there, 10 table. These are the factors of 12. Then factorization means the given number can be expressed as the product of the factors. Product of the here number 12. How we can express here 2 and 6 are the factors. Their product 2 6 are how much? 12. That way is known as factorization. Next 12 we can write it as 3 into 4 because how much? 12. 3 and 4 are the factors of the 12. Or otherwise we can write it as 1 into 12. 1 and 12 both are the factors of 12 only. That's why we can say 1 into 12. So what we can conclude, a number can be expressed as in form of a product of their factors. Product of their factors. That method we call it as a factorization. So I hope you can understand what about factorization. Next we go through, learned about a prime factorization. So prime factorization means here we use only prime numbers only. Last class, early classes we learned what about prime numbers. Numbers having only 2 factors, 1 and the same number itself. Such numbers are known as prime numbers, which are they 2, then next prime number 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, etc. We call it as a prime numbers. Prime numbers means it have only 2 factors, which are the 1 table and the same number table only, it including lies. That's why that numbers we call it as a prime number. So using this type of prime numbers, that factorization we call it as a prime factorization. That is the meaning of the prime factorization. I hope you can understand prime factorization. And then next here next word is factor tree. Factor tree. Factor tree. So you want here, okay, 1 minute here, prime factorization, one example I will show you. 45, we want to prime factorization. 45 means 5 into 9 because how much? 45 we know, but 9 is not a prime number. That's why how to do that one. See, prime numbers only using and dividing. First you need to place 5, divisibility test also we learned. You need to place 5 means it is possible to divide it with the 5 or 5, or adding 4 plus 5 comes to be how much? 3. That way also. Okay, first prime number 3 use it to divide. 3 table when we get to 45, here become 50. Again 15, 3 table 15 when it is 5 10. So 5 is a prime number. Our aim is to divide and divide. Final answer because how much we need 1. So prime number 5 means that same prime number only using and dividing time we get answer as 1. This method we call it as a prime factorization. So in prime factorization doing time we get 3 into 3 into 5. These are the factors. So prime numbers using and factorization doing that method we call it as a prime factorization. Next one is factor tree. Next word is factor tree. What about factor tree? Factor tree. Tree means a tree having, you know, it having a branches also. Here also same way division doing and branches drawing and dividing. So example, 90. 90 we want to prime factorization doing with the help of factor tree. So 90 to use draw two branches. 90 how we can divide any table. 2 table also possible, 3 table also 90 possible, 9 table also possible, 5 table also so many tables 90 we can use possible. Any table you can cut and do that. 2 table use means a prime number 2. 2 use in a 2 table when we get to 90 in a scene. 2 is divided with 90. That means 4 times 8 subtract 1 10 means 5. So how much is the quotient? 42 into 45 become 90. These two lines represent a branch of the tree. Again 2 is a prime number. So we can't do that. But 45 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. Composite number means what? Numbers having more than 2 factors. Such numbers we call it as a composite number. So 45 is a composite. Again draw the branches. Again divide. Which table? Any table. 3 table or 5 table. 5 table using time we can say 5 into 9 become a 45. Again seeing 5 is a prime number. So leave it. But 9 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. Again that composite number and dividing. And our aim is to divide and divide all numbers change it to as a prime number. Again draw the branches. Where draw the branches? Composite number place draw the branches. So 9 how we can express a 3 into 3 become a 9. Here see 3 is a prime number, 3 is a. So everything we finally we reach which answer a prime number. Prime number. So what are the factors here? We using a prime number. So we select composite numbers not. Which are the prime numbers? 2 5 3 3. So factors are 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 3 is a prime numbers. So prime numbers using here in which method we are finding the prime numbers? Factor tree using and finding the prime numbers. This method we known as a factor tree. Why we call it as factor tree? To have a branches we are drawn look like a tree's branches. That's why this method we known as a factor tree method. I hope you can understand this question. Then next we go through the next exercise. Exercise 3.5. Exercise 3.5. Here one question they given as in this way they draw the here 60 is given that draw the factor tree. Two ways they given. Draw the factor. Some missing numbers also. The missing number, find out the missing number. In this way they draw. Branches are there. Here 6, 10. Again 6 and 10 are a composite number. That's why 6 is again in the 6 they draw a branch. 6 is a prime composite number. That's why we can do that one. Here one number given 2. Here also 10 is a composite number. That's why there also branches is there. They are given a 5 here. So this place number is missing. This place number is missing. Fill that to missing place number. That is the meaning of the first question. They given a 60 with the help of prime factorization missing place number filling. That is the first Roman question they take. So 2 is multiplied with which number we get answer 6. 2 is multiplied with 3. 2 3s are 6. Then which number here coming when we get to 10? 5 2s are 10. So missing place we fill. That is the one. This is our A part. Then again B part also same. A factor tree is there. Another way they given like that. We divide with the help of 30. 30 is multiply missing number there. 30 is a prime composite number. That's why divide like this. Again 10 is dividing in this way they given. So prime factorization doing. So how we can do this one? we can tell that 30 is multiplied with which number to get to 60? 30 into 2 become 60. So missing place we can fill 2. Again 10 is given there. Which number using a multiplying 10 we get to 30? 10 into 3 become 30. That place also we fill. Then here 10 how we can split 2 into prime numbers. 2 into 5 become 10. So missing place fill the answers. That is the first Roman they telling that. So I hope you can understand this question. Next they are given us write the greatest 4-digit number and a prime factorization. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number, right? Greatest 4-digit number, right? And prime factor. But which is the greatest 4-digit number? 9 is writing 4 times we get a greatest 4-digit number. So question asking for which is the greatest 5-digit number, asking what we want to do. 9 is writing how many times? 5 times we get greatest 5-digit number. Or a greatest 6-digit, asking how we can form how many times 9 will writing there? 6 times 9 will writing, then we get greatest 6-digit number. In this way greatest number where 5. Here they are asking greatest 4-digit number. How to read this number? 1 times 100,000. So we can read 9,999 is the greatest 4-digit number. They ask prime factorization doing and factors, right? Prime factors, right? That is the meaning of the second question. Here how to do this one? Which prime number use? Is it possible to divide it with 2? No. Divisibility test of 2 says that you need to place even number coming time only we can able to divide it with 2. Is it you need to place even number? No. That's why prime number 2 not possible. Next, which prime number? 3 is our next prime number. Divisibility test of 3 says that add the given number. 9 plus 9 comes to be how much? 18. Plus again 9 plus 9 comes to be 18. 18 plus 18 comes to be how much? 36. Then checking 36 is a multiple of 3. Yes, 3 into 12 become 36. That's why we understood that 9,999 is possible to divide it with 3. Divide 3 table 9 3 times. 3 table 9 3 times. 3 table 9 3 times. 3 table 9 3. Quotient were writing. Again check, is it possible to divide it with 2? No. You need to place is 3. It is an what number? Not good. Next, which prime number only? Prime number 3. Is it possible or not? Checking 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 comes to be how much? 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. Yeah, that's why we can continue with the prime number 3. 3 table 3 when it is 3 into 1 become 3. Again 3 table 3 when it is 3 into 1 become 3. 3 table 3 1 time. 3 table 3 1 time. Again, is it possible to divide it with 3 again? Divisibility test checking 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 3, 1 3, 3 plus 1 become 4. 4 is not a multiple of 3. That's why 3 not possible. Next prime number 5. Divisibility test of 5 says that 0 or 5 comes on the unit to place. Here not 0 or, that's why 5 not possible. 7 case also not possible. Next, which number only? 11 only possible. 11 table possible or not? How to check that 1111 take outside and divide it with 11. How much is the quotient? First 2 place 11 table 11 when it is 1 time 1 into 11 become a product 11 coming 0. Next, one number bring down 1. Is it possible? No. Division rule says that always inside number is greater than the outside number. That's why not possible case. First of all we keep 0 on the quotient place. Next number bring down. Which is the next number? Next one bring. Then read together. Again 11. 11 table when we get answer as 11. 11 ones are 11. So product right and subtraction doing the remainder become how much? So what is the quotient there? 101. 101 is a prime or a composite number. It is a prime number only. No any other table using them, we do not never getting this answer. That's why 101 is a prime number. That same number using and dividing time, same number division, always we get which answer? 1 as a answer. So divide and divide, finally we reach which answer? 1 as. So what are the prime factors of 9999? 3 into 3 into 11 into 101 is the prime factors of this 9999. And I hope you can understand this question. Second question. Next they asking smallest 5-digit number they asking. Third question. They ask smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number they ask to find and prime factorization. Smallest case what we want to do? What is the easy method? Smallest 3 asking them, put 1 and 2 zeros. So 3 digits coming. So 3-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number asking them, put 1 and 3 0, 4-digit number. 5-digit asking time, put 1 and how many zeros? 4 zeros. Keeping time we get a 5 digit. So which number is our 5-digit number? Smallest 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. What they ask to find prime? This also prime factorization doing any table, any table, not prime numbers table you can. Which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, like this. So which table is best? 2 table or 5? 2 table using time. Here at 10,000, how we mind calculation not know, separately division box draw and dividing to 2 table. First 2 place 2 table 10 when it is 2 5s are 10. Subtraction doing them 0. Next place 0. That also 2 table when we get to 0 0. Again 0. That 0 also right. Again next 0. That 0 also right. So how much we get? 5,000 will coming as a quotient. Again unit place is 0. 0 is uneven. That's why prime number 2 again continue. Mind calculation not knowing means separate division box draw and divide. First place 5. 2 table 5 properly note the nearest answer. 2 2s are 4 is the product right as subtract. Next number bring down. Bring and write on the right side of the remainder. So 1 change to 10. 2 table 10 when it is 5 times. Then subtraction 2 times 0. Next 2 zeros are there. That 2 zeros bring and. So what is the answer? 2,500 is our quotient. Again continue. Unit place is 0. That's why it's possible to divide it with 2. So 2,500 is divided with 2. First number 2. 2 table when we get to 2 as answer. 2 into 1 become a product 2 1. So subtraction doing 10 0. Next number 5 2 2s are 4 getting. So product 4 subtracting 1 next place 0. 2 table 10 5 times subtracting 0. Last 0 bring down 2 table 0 0 times. So what is the answer? 1250 comes as our quotient. Again continuing, our aim is to divide and divide. Final answer how much we need? 1 as final answer. Again which prime number? 2 only. Why? Because unit place is 0. 0 is an even number. So 1250 we take and we separately take and divide. 2 places. 2 table 12 6 times. 2 6 are 12. Next place 2 table when we get to 5 2 2s are 4 is the subtraction doing 10 1. Next place number bring down 2 table 10 5 times. 5 2s are 10 subtraction do. So what is the answer? 625. Again is it possible to continue with the 2? No. Unit place is 5. 5 is odd number. That's why prime number 2 not possible. So easy is which number is possible? 5 table is possible. Prime number 5 use and divide. So 625 divided with the prime number 5. First number 5 table 6 properly note that 5 into 1 become answer 5 coming. 6 minus 5 is 1. Next place number 2. 12, 5 table 12 not there, 2 times 10, subtracting 2, next number bring down 25 means 5 times. So answer become how much? 125 is our quotient. Again we continue. 125 means unit to place is 5. That's why we can continue with the prime number 5. 5 table 12 means 2 times. So 125 separately take and divided with 5. 5 table 12 not the 2 times 10. Subtraction doing time 2. Next place number bring down 25 means 5. So our answer become 20. Again continue with 5. 5 table 25 when it is 5 5s are 25. 5 is a prime number. That's why same prime number use and dividing time our answer become how much? What are the prime numbers we use to divide 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. These are the prime factors used for prime factorization for the smallest 5-digit number. I hope you can understand this question. Then next question there, same thing, only 1000 to 1729. Fourth question that tells about one prime factorization doing. So we can do the prime factorization. How to do the prime factorization? First here which table we can use this one here. 2 prime number 2 not possible. What is the reason? You need to place is odd number 9. That's why prime number 2 not possible. Next, which prime number 3? Is it possible or not? 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 9 19. 19 is not a multiple of 3. That's why prime number 3 not possible. Next, which is our prime number 5? 5 case 0 or 5 comes on unit to place. Yeah, unit to place in 9 only. That's why 5 also not possible. Then 7. Is it possible to divide it with 7? Once we can check. 7 table 17 means how many times? 2 times 14 is the subtraction doing time 3. 32 means how many times? 4 times 28. Subtraction doing time borrow and subtract 32 minus 28 to become 4. Next last number bring down. So 4 change it to 40. 7 table when it become 7 times 49. So which answer will coming 2 4 7 is again divided with which prime number? 7 only possible to divide. So is it possible to divide with 7? Not possible. Next which prime number only? 11 not possible. Then next prime number 13. So 2 4 7 divided with 13. 13 2s are how much? 26. So one time 13 only. Here next number 7. So 13 table when we get 13 into 9 become how much? 27 7 100. So 19. Here become a quotient become how much? 19. So 19 is a prime number. That's why when we which table only belong in 19 table only belong in. That's why prime number 19 only use and dividing time same number division. Answer become how much? A quotient become 1. So what are the factors? 7 into 13 into 19 is our answer. I hope you can understand this question. In this way we are prime factorization doing. Next class we can discuss about HCF. HCF means highest common factor case. That one next class we can discuss. Thank you.